Hey, what's going on, guys? I just got off of a really good phone call with a real estate agent client down in Southern California who is looking to grow his team. He's with eXp Realty looking to attract agents, and I said, dude, you're cool, but your offer stinks. Let's talk about it. So one of the biggest things that we kind of we get stuck on is thinking that people are going to take up our offers because we are so good at what we do, right? So that's not a negative thing. Like, we're good at what we do. We feel confident. We know that we can help people. But at the end of the day, people are not going to realize how good we are at what we do unless they have an incentive or an attraction to sit down and hear about how good of a job we do. So with him, he's a seven-figure earner in real estate in Southern California. He's been doing this for a long time. He's amazing at it. He really helps his team, and he's just good at all aspects of the business. However, people don't really care about that, right? They care about what's in it for them. They don't care about how well he's doing. And he was making an offer and kind of adding to the noise around real estate agents that people hear all the time. Like, for example, if you join my team, I'll support you. If you join my team, you have a chance to earn revenue share. If you join my team, ... It's the same noise. Like, people hear the same thing. His offer is not standing out. And so I talked to him about, ways that he can grow his team and he can attract agents. And we started talking about an agent attraction system. The idea that I gave him, and I'm sharing it with you on this podcast, is you need to hit people up with a different offer than what they're hearing all the time, right? This is why the giveaway funnel is so powerful. You're giving back to the community of people you're talking about. So for him, I was like, dude, let's run a giveaway funnel just to real estate agents. Like, you're just giving back to the real estate agent community. And after they enter into this funnel, then you'll give them an opportunity to set up a quick phone call so that you can help coach them through whatever obstacle they're having right now, whether it's lead generation, if it's closing listing appointments, whatever that problem is. Offer a free call, no strings attached, nothing to it. And then once they get on the call, they'll realize, hey, this guy's really helping me out. He's here for me. He's got my back. And it's going to open the door for more conversations about potentially joining your team. And I told him also, everyone that goes through the giveaway funnel, even if they don't accept the offer for a free call, invite them into a brand new Facebook group that you'll be creating where you just drop a value bomb once a week. You go live, talk once a week about what it is that you're doing, share some tips to the group. No strings attached, just value. Inside of that value add, that drop that you do, mention at the very end, hey, if you are on my team, don't forget to take me up on our regular coaching calls. Now, what's that going to do? They're going to be like, oh, my gosh, I'm getting value from this Elgin guy, and now he's talking about all this extra value that I could get working on his team. I see how supportive he is to people who he has no benefit from, and now he's talking about his team and how much more benefit they get from working with him. The key is that you're showing them by action, you're showing them time and time again how you can help them grow their business and what kind of support you have. It all comes down to the offer. One of the reasons why we're doing so well in the different niches that we're targeting is because we are obsessed with adding more value to the market than anybody else in the market. Our goal is to almost overwhelm our competitors because we're giving so much value to the market. When I look at a niche that is, that I'm analyzing going into for our digital marketing agency, or when I'm approached with a startup idea and they ask for funding, I look at the market and I say, is there a way for us to provide more value than the competition that's out there right now? Sometimes there's not. Sometimes the competition is doing such a good job of serving and supporting the market that either I'm looking to go into or the startup is looking to go into. I say, I just don't know if I can compete here, at least not right away. However, there are markets that are just right for the taking because they are being underserved. Their offers that they're being presented with are terrible, like real estate agents. Nobody's out there offering them free stuff. They just want what the real estate agent can do for them, right? And so because of that, at least when it comes to joining brokerages and switching teams, when it comes to, um, when it comes to real estate agents and bringing them in, I just see so much opportunity. It's the same thing with consumers. Consumers are just inundated with a lot of bottom feeding offers, like we'll save you money, et cetera, et cetera. But nobody's giving them stuff, right? They're not coming alongside them and offering to serve and support them as they work on, say, financial planning or things of that nature. So when you approach someone, when the conversation starts with, you giving them something before they're ever able to give something to you, now you have their ear. The conversation goes down a different path. So what I would encourage you to do is I would encourage you to write out, number one, get really specific on who your target market is. I created a really powerful tool, and it's available for all my VIP members inside of the VIP Vault and the VIP Facebook group. You can join it for free, alexbranding.com/VIP. But inside of the Facebook group and this tool, it helps you really identify who your target market is. Once you can visualize your customer avatar, who that person is, then you know how to serve them better. You can identify their pain points, where they're struggling, what they need help with, why they're not able to achieve their goals and aspirations, and more importantly, how you can help them achieve their goals and aspirations. Then it comes down to their pain points. What are their main pain points? And then why would they not work with you? Like literally, write out, be specific. Why would they not want to work with you? Are they worried about your offer? Does your company have negative reviews? Like you have to write down the objections that you know you're going to face so that you can make a plan to overcome those objections. So for those of you that are out there in the online marketing game or offline marketing game, you got to up your offer. You got to make it almost irresistible so that you can get into relationships with people. Because if you don't have their ear, I don't care how good of a job you do. If you don't have the opportunity to tell someone how you can serve and support them, your business will not grow. But people aren't going to listen to how you can serve and support them until they like and trust you. And so it starts with creating and building a relationship from a positive front. So those are my tips for you today. Join my VIP group. We talk about all this stuff, and I help you overcome your specific issues. Go to alexbranding.com/VIP.